Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, I'm good, thank you. Are you a trained security guard?
No, I'm
What
not.
was that question? Are you?
Are you a trained security guard?
No, I'm not a trained security guard.
You're not a trained security guard,
No.
right? Okay, did you ask me to leave?
No, I asked you to just come to one side so I could talk to you and try and sort the situation out.
Right, okay then. Why didn't you identify yourself when I asked?
I don't remember not identifying myself.
Sorry, I couldn't hear that, sorry.
Yeah, sorry, I don't remember not identifying myself.
Well, when I asked, because your identification was flipped, and I did ask you, could you flip it so I can identify you as a security officer?
I guess I just felt because you were filming me, didn't want my name, all over YouTube or anything like that.
Even though you're getting filmed from all the cameras in the airport, you realise that?
Yeah, but that's not for being put on YouTube. That's for
Fair enough.
yeah. Yeah, but that's not for being put on YouTube. That's for
Fair enough.
yeah,
But yeah, being filmed.
security reasons.
Yep. You say, sorry, is disruptive considered disorderly?
Disruptive was the term that the monitoring operator used. So from that, I took it to mean there was a hold up at the counter, or maybe a commotion at the counter, something along those lines.
Okay. You told me I couldn't record staff. Why is that?
So when I worked as a Skygate officer, my understanding of it is that the airport is owned and operated by a private company, and they asked us to enforce those rules around the airport.
So there's notices around the airport to say you cannot film in a public place?
And it's in the airport workers rules and the airport bylaws,
Right.
which are around the employees.
I'm just saying because in the court here you've got notices to say we can and cannot film. I was just wondering, you say the airport is a private place, but yet public has access to that private place, but there's no signs.
The airport bylaws are signed around the airport, inside the terminal.
I see, okay. And you say I had my phone in her face.
That's what I observed, yes.
You observed that,
Yes.
but yet it's not visual on the video footage that I was taking.
I think it is, but yeah.
Yeah, okay. So is the airport a public place?
Not in terms of filming.
So did the police charge me for intimidating?
Well, that's probably not a question you can answer.
Not a
because it's
question?
not police.
Fair enough, yep. You stated you weren't trying to remove me, is that correct?
That's correct.
That's correct. When the officer turned up, you leaned to talk to her. What did she ask?
The police officer,
Correct.
she basically just asked me what the situation was. Why you were filming me, why we're staying over to one side, what we were talking about.
So I could just take a couple of seconds, please, Your Honour? Thank you. So when the officer turned up, she specifically leaned over and asked briefly, what did she ask?
So-
Who?
The officer, the New Zealand police officer that turned up.
Oh, you'll see it in the footage
Who
coming out.
was she asked? Who was the officer asking the question of? Him or somebody?
Of himself, yes. She leaned
What
over
did
to
the
him
officer ask you?
and asked him the question. What did she ask?
So she asked me what was going on, what the situation was.
Thank you. You said on the video Just that you were not scared when I asked you. Are you scared, mate? You go, no, I'm not scared. But then you testify that you were scared, intimidated. You lying then or now?
Well, I didn't want to show you that I was scared at the time.
So you stated it's a public area, so then it makes it a public place?
The public can go to the airport, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Last question. You mentioned your safety, yet the police supplied me with your home address. Were you aware of that?
No, I wasn't aware of that.
Just so you know. It's just, yeah. Last question. You mentioned your safety, yet the police supplied me with your home address. Were you aware of that?
No, I wasn't aware of that.
Just so you know. It's just, yeah. Sorry, Madam Registrar, could we just play the video footage when the officer turns up and she leans over to McINDOE?
Okay, so now. I can move you on the first flight tomorrow morning. So that's.
Is that about 8 minutes?
Oh, well. No, they can't touch me. Honestly, I haven't done anything wrong. This is, no. Sorry, your QID number, mate? Your QID number? Can I get that? Yeah. That's nice, thank you. And you? QID number, identification? No, I'm just asking for your identification.
Not to be filming and
Is that right?
you turn your phone off.
No, I can film. It's a public place.
And he's asked you to
This is a
turn it off.
public place.
No,
Don't
it's
touch me,
private.
mate.
Turn it
Yeah.
off.
Okay, I've been quite reserved, right?
Yeah.
I've been asking this. No, I'm not.
Come on out.
No. Okay, are you arresting me? Are you arresting me? Yep, okay, we can check here because I need to get to Queenstown. The flight is cancelled, I need to get to Queenstown. She's been very rude. Now, this lady's having a problem here, right? And you are very rude, I need to see. No, it's not in your face. No, I'm not. Obviously, you don't watch New Zealand audits, right? Okay, you do not have the right to tell me to turn my phone off in a public place. It's not. Oh my goodness. No, it's not. No, it's not. You do not know the law. Yep. You do not know the law. Yep. Mate, what's been happening? Okay. She's just ignoring me. I said, how are we going to get down? I said, what's the reason for the cancellation, right? You got very rude. And she goes, oh, because you've got no cabin crew. Hey? Do not. Did you see that? Did you see that? No, I'm not allowed. No,
Could you
do
pause it
not
right
tell
there?
me, bro, do not touch.
Right in that moment there, what was said there?
By who?
Oh, sorry, by Mr. McINDOE. What did she ask you in that second?
That was when the police asked me to go and get the trespass book.
Right, okay. No further questions, Your Honour. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, I have no questions, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Your Honour, just ask for Mr. McIndoe. I'm free to go. I just asked for 5 minutes. I just want to speak to this witness before he runs off.
Certainly.
if that's right. There's two more witnesses to go, the police officers. I'll only be 5 minutes and then we can come back, or if your honour wanted to have the afternoon break,
Could
I'll
take the
come
afternoon
back.
adjournment now.
In your honour's
What,
hands.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Can we keep the constitution before this court is adjourned? Please stand.